Okay, so for 4b, we want to work out the coordinates of point Q there. We can see that that is where the line L intersects the curve. I know the equation of the curve. I need the equation of the line so I can do simultaneous equations. So to get the equation of the line, I know it has gradient minus 3. So straight away I can write down y equals minus 3x plus c. And I know that the line goes through the point P, which I worked out in part A, which is the coordinates 2, 0. So if I substitute that in, I find out that C must be 6. So I know the equation of the line is y equals minus 3x plus 6. And I know that the equation of the curve is y equals 4 minus x squared over x squared. So if I do simultaneous equations with these, because that point Q that I'm trying to work out here is where they intersect. So let me do that. I'm going to say that minus 3x plus 6 equals 4 minus x squared over x squared. If I multiply both sides through by x squared, that will get rid of the denominator. So I'll get minus 3x cubed plus 6x squared is equal to 4 minus x squared. I'm then going to take the put everything onto one side of this equation. So I'm going to move all of this over to the right hand side. So I'll get 0 equals 3x cubed minus 7x squared plus 4. Now, to solve this equation, you could use your calculator to do this, or if we were going to use the longer full method to do this, we would need to factorise the right hand side. Now, to factorise this, we would have to use the fact that we already know one root. We already know one solution to this. Because remember, the solutions to this equation are where the curve intersects the line. And we know that that takes place at point P. So we know that x equals 2 is a solution to this equation already. So therefore, I know that x minus 2 is a factor of this equation. So if I write this down, do a little bit of division here, I'll get 3x squared like that. This is just me doing the algebraic division. I'm not going to explain this too much because hopefully you remember how to do this. The x into the minus x squared goes minus x times. Like that. And then that's a minus 2. So that allows us then to write this equation. This equation here, I'm going to rewrite that as x minus 2 times 3x squared minus x minus 2 equals 0. This quadratic will factorise some more, so I'm going to split this up further to be 3x x, and it's going to have to be a let's think about that for a moment. That's going to have to be a minus 1, and that's going to have to be a plus 2, I think. Yeah. So, our three solutions to this are x equals 2, which we knew from before, x equals minus 2/3, which is not going to be part of this answer here, or x equals 1. And that is the x coordinate of point Q. To get the y coordinate of point Q, we'll substitute 1 into either this equation or this equation, it doesn't matter which, and we'll find that y is 3. There we go.